Hello everyone, it's Jessin again with another Jessin Bakes, where we take recipes that are either vegan or need veganized and we make them a reality. So last time I had a little bit of a mental breakdown with my Christmas treat, and I really don't want to relive that experience. And if I really want to get something out before Christmas, this one's going to be a little bit shorter. So today's recipe comes from Go Dairy Free. The author of this one is Alyssa Fleming, and it is going to be one of my favorite flavors in the whole wide world, Maple Pecan Fudge. So we are going to try this recipe together, and hopefully, cross your fingers, this one works out well. I've got all of my materials here ready to go. You're going to see the recipe in the link below, so you can follow along or try this after the video. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to smash that bell, because apparently that does something for YouTube's algorithm that makes me famous, which is not the point of this, but I mean, I'm doing it, so let's make some money off of it, right? Hit it all. Hit it all. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna move you guys over to my saucepan. All right, so we're gonna start by putting our pan on medium-low heat. Ta-da. It asks for a medium pan, but this pan is beautiful, so I'm gonna use it. The other pans that I have are really scratchy, so I'm not gonna do that. Oh, and one more thing. I got an early Christmas present, which is another reason why we're deciding to do this. It's my candy thermometer, and this is going to make sure that we have the right consistency for our fudge. So over medium-high heat, we're going to put all of our ingredients in: our coconut oil, our sugar, white sugar, which is granulated sugar. Don't get white, that's not vegan. Brown sugar, coconut milk. Don't get what don't use the box, use the can. You're gonna shake it. That's why this is the consistency that it is. If you just open it and put it in, it's going to have all of that nasty water stuff on it, and that's not gonna give you the right consistency, or so we hope. So a cup of coconut milk from the can, maple syrup, the best, and a dash of salt. All right, we're gonna stir it until it gets to a boil. Right before the boil, it says. Coconut, time to get all melty. Okay, so that's all pretty much melted down. And now it says to let it almost bubble. So reduce the heat, put this sucker in. Woo. 235 to 240. All right, I'm gonna wait for this to go, and then I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see the after effect. Okay, that took some time, but here we have our at 240. I'm gonna whisk in some vanilla. All right, and then I'm going to take it and put it into another pan, because I'm going to whisk it and I don't want to ruin this pan, so. And then it's asking us to whisk it while it cools. Okay, so the recipe says to have it like a frosting type batter, which is, I mean, this looks great. This is, I'm pretty sure that this is what she means by that, which is amazing. So one thing she didn't have on the recipe was pecans. I love maple pecans. I think it's a great mix. So I'm just gonna put in like a good, maybe a cup, stir those in. You guys, I'm feeling so much better about this recipe than the last week's recipe. I think this is gonna be good. It's like the right consistency. It just needs to cool some more. I've got my parchment paper lined 8x8. We're gonna stick that in there. You go in there now. I think this recipe, like they said, you know, frosting consistency. Wouldn't this be lovely on a cupcake? That's all I can think about right now. Like, screw the fudge. I am making a cupcake. Just eat this raw. So I'm just gonna pat this down in here. And she says to let it cool, which we will. So there you have it, you guys. That is in there. We're gonna let it cool. And I'm trying it right now. All right, you guys, I'm gonna just let this cool for probably about 30 minutes, so it might take a little bit of time, but we'll be back, we'll try it, and I'm feeling pretty good about this recipe, you guys. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so everything is cooled, so I'm just going to take it out and cut little squares. It's still a bit warm, but it's still cool enough for me to cut. I'm just gonna take one and we're gonna taste it. All right, so here we go. Maple pecan fudge. It tastes like fudge. It's got the consistency with all of that sugar. The coconut is making it really, that fatty kind of taste to it. I think this is a great recipe, so this is perfect for your holiday parties. The dogs are coming in, they're ready to see what's going on. I am going to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Merry Christmas from my family to yours, and I'll see you in the next year.